It is terrible thing to see and have no vision. DTM Kawan, I have a question for you. Did you plan your birth? Have you
Yes.
have you noticed somebody around you who have planned their death? I'm sorry for being so straightforward.
Mhm.
I don't think we can plan anything in our life, but we can only try. Tell me one thing. I'm going to ask you, every single person who is listening right now. Tell me one thing you have planned and exactly happened the same way you planned. Nobody. So what do you mean by plan? What do you mean by vision? What do you mean by mission? Trust me, I believe with my sheer experience, you can try. Wherever you are, you can try, and always think of doing something great in your life. And things will happen the way you have even not imagined or not expected, in your favor, I mean to say, positive way. But having vision, or like I want to achieve something, trust me, things don't work the way we plan. Tell me one person, even a Facebook owner or Instagram owner or what do you call this, WhatsApp owner, did they plan they would achieve such a huge success? Ask them. They would have not imagined even. They just tried. They tried to collect people together, bring people together on one board. That's it. And things multiplied. And they were chosen people for this world to make things happen. Or they were multiple number of people who were sitting with them, working with them, and they made these things possible. So I don't really feel, going with the topic, that it is terrible thing to see and have no vision. There is no vision, actually, honestly speaking. There is no vision at all. We always inspire people, motivate people, which is become over motivation. Things don't work that way. Wherever you are, enjoy your life. You have no control over your life. You have control over your thoughts, your emotions, your deeds, based on your intentions, based on your conscious. Nothing more than that. This is my, you can agree with me or disagree with me. I have huge respect for you. But this is my take for this topic, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me, vision, or do visualize whatever you feel like. Nothing will happen the way you will plan. Just enjoy your life the way it is, and things will happen better than your expectation even. Thank you so much. Back to you.